Hey guys, welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do just a little bit of exercise, but we exercise every day and then we increase very slowly. Today's not going to be an increased day. We did a max for squats last time, a new max, and this time we're going to take it easy. We did this guy here, this giant L-beam here. It's about 35 pounds, maybe actually a little more than 35 pounds, but about 35 pounds. And we did our weight vest. So we did 77 pounds. And today we're just going to do the 35 and give ourselves a break. It is still fun to do this giant thing here, so let's have some fun doing it. Ready? Up. Heavy, heavy, heavy. But it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to be messing around with these big heavy weights and stuff, and feeling confident when you do it, and feeling like nothing's going to go wrong because you can handle that kind of weight. Now I looked at some of my form on these guys. I definitely had some where I leaned a little to one side or the other, so I am going to try to make sure I come up straight on each of these. Get this chair out of the way here. I don't want to bang the table either over here. I'm kind of close to the table here. Alright, so now we're going to come down really evenly. Try to see if we get a good squat on our first one. Right here, we're going to try to make sure we're not lifting our head up. We're going to keep our head down, which is going to kind of make it hard to see the camera. I've got the camera a little higher, so I'm not going to be able to see it. My plan of watching myself do the squat is not going to work. It's just, I wasn't getting as good a light there. It's nice to do a lighter weight like this. All right, 1, 2, 3. Just a nice lighter weight for today. 4. Just take it easy, let our muscles relax a little bit. 5, but still do some good stimulation here. 6. 7. I think I did 15 of these last time. 8. Last time I did this lighter weight, right? 9. I want to make it come up evenly here. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Again, I think we're just going to do 15 again here. All the way down, all the way up. Let's keep that head straight. We did it, guys. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. Just a little bit of exercise every day really does add up to a lot. Hit the magical subscribe thing. Have some fun. I'll see you guys next time right here on Daily Commitment.